Give me some candy now.
Yep, the Queen's seat stealer. Yep, standing room only today. The White Freightliner project, 1950's era. Better get back on it. It's been a while since I've done a video, so yeah, let's get at it. I had set this up and was all keen to weld this front onto here, but realised I really should do the interior a bit more because it's going to be harder to do later. So I put the rest of the doghouse together and out of the old lawnmower engine cover. It's the same one I made the dash from, and also, hopefully I can get in there and you can see it, I got a gauge cluster there, which is the holes in the back of a DVD player where the RCA jacks come out. Same DVD player the floor pan's made out of, in fact, so getting good use out of that one. Not prototypical, not by any stretch, but I don't really care. It'll do the job. So I'm going to kind of weld these things together. They're all loose in there at the moment. So just this sort of thing, actually. Here, I'll show you. There's the what is that? The video, HDMI, all that sort of jazz. But it looks okay. So I want to weld this piece onto this part of the doghouse, so it can be slipped in and slipped out from above, because the roof will be removable, magnets. So I've got to set this front with the 68 blocks here, get everything set where it's going to go, then use some welding magnets to hold this in place, take this off and tack on the inside. Hopefully that's the plan anyway. What else here? I'm not sure if I mentioned before, but I got a Tamiya driver figure for the truck. Little plastic thing, way too expensive for what they are. Annoying, but I'm not going to have a ghost driver. Ghost driving RCs are lame in my book. So yeah, we'll get that together, do this. I think there's a few other little bits and pieces I want to do, but I can do that off camera. Alright guys, let's get out there, throw on the time lapse, do a bit of monkeying about with this interior, and yeah, we'll see where that takes us. Alright, let's get at it. So there it is guys, just it's the dash welded onto the little bit of the doghouse there, so it can be slipped in and out. Next I think I'm going to work on the steering wheel, seats and the shifter. I'll just need to finish making this little man here. To do that, I wanted to buy a Tamiya guy so that I had a 1/14 scale figure that was correct, so to help me with the interior. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Short video. I don't have a lot of time to be doing the hobbies at the moment because it's winter and there's firewood and, you know, stuff to be getting done. So I will, yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Not sure when it will be. You'll know when I'll know. Alright guys, catch us later. Remember this guy? Last time you seen him, he was just a little nipper. Now he's a little punk-ass motherfucking teenager, I think. Yeah. Yep, they grow fast.